Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. I'm going through Alphabet City. I'm going to show you my favorite places to eat. One on each avenue, A, B, C, and D. Got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. I'm on Houston Street. It's Alphabet City. I'll start at A. I'll go through, show you my favorite spots. You know, since we're doing food, I can kind of give you a good range of high price to low price. So the first place I'm going to take you to is called Cobo by Nye. It is tapas, but it's got like Italian inspiration. Chef's name is Ruben Rodriguez. He's really talented. He's got 4 restaurants in the area. This is his newest one, and I think it's one of the best. It's up here on the right. It's on Avenue A and like 13th Street. We'll pull up, and I'll just show you some footage from my last meal there. There's also really good pizza right here called Village Square, right near Tompkins Square, obviously on A. Worth your time. Good square slice. I always like the pepperoni. All right, so Cobo's right here on the right. I'm just gonna pull over, pull up to the front, and then I'll show you some nice footage. Ooh, there's an egg. There it is.
That's how we got it.
Burial?
They should have buried it. Put it on that side.
Yeah. Get that crispy shit off the bottom. Good. Good.
Yeah,
Good.
Good. I forgot to say olives.
Olives or
Aceite is vinegar.
Yes.
That's the jam right there.
yeah, pick it up. Show us what you got there. Yeah.
I'll eat it. It's definitely a scooper.
Someone's got a stick.
This looks like a scooper too.
Stick something in there.
We're gonna have to scoop.
Lift,
It's oh
lift
yeah.
It. Lift it. Let's see it. Yeah.
Oh.
That's sick. Lift it. Oh, break it. Oh, break it slow.
Look at that.
Yes. Wow.
Is that tiramisu?
That's a tiramisu, baby.
That's Avenue A. Next, we're gonna do Avenue B. And coming up on 14th Street, I'm gonna take a right and then another right and go down B. All right, so we did Spanish, we did tapas / Italian. On Avenue B, I'm gonna take you to Japan. We're gonna do what's called an omakase. It's when a chef chooses the food that you eat, gives you, 10, 12 pieces of sushi. And this particular one has a great deal. It's all you can drink. I think it's like $100. All you can drink. It's about 10 or 15 pieces of sushi. Very good quality. I enjoyed it. I've been twice already. Absolute idiot. Domakase is the name of the joint. It's up on the left. So let's just rip down there. And I'll show you some good footage of the whole meal. A lot of great bars in this area too. I can do this whole thing, Alphabet City, with bars. I'll do that next time. Here it is, Domakase. I'm gonna pull up and show you some footage. Cheers. Well, that looks good. This is the sea bream, right? Wow. Snow trout scallop with wasabi chips and brown butter.
Nuts, Japanese eel.
Japanese eel. That looks good.
Torch video.
Foie gras on top of mochi with pickled radish. Oyster time. Wow, pickled oyster.
How's everything so far?
Delicious. Look at that. Egg, and egg. A5 and endive. Matcha dashi, matcha salt. Wow, it looks great. All right, so A and B are done. We are moving over to C. We're gonna go down in price too on Avenue C. We're going to Casa Adela. Casa Adela is Puerto Rican food. It is so good. It's one of the best in the neighborhood. It's been around forever. I always like to get their chicharrones, the chicken chicharrones. If you like the mofongo, that's the way to go there too. Everything's really good. Sancocho, also really good with oxtail in it. Love this place. I've got some footage from an old meal that I ate here with the cake dealer. I'll show you that right now. I'll just pull up and show you the footage. Here it is. Wow. We've done our ABCs, now we need the D. My favorite restaurant on the D. Fried chicken joint called Crown Fried Chicken. Always satisfies. Coming up on 10th, I'm gonna take this right and head over to Avenue D. Beautiful day for riding. Glad I get to show you some of my favorite spots here in Alphabet City. You go from tapas to Japanese to fried chicken. This is where it's good to have an electric BMX. You just get up on the sidewalk, get around all the nonsense on the street. And Crown Fried Chicken is just on the right. Here we go, Crown Fried Chicken. And I called in an order for pickup, so I'm gonna go grab it. It's dinner time, so the cake dealer and I are gonna chomp on some fried chicken. So that's it, we did it, Alphabet City in 8 minutes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again on another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.